Hi, my name is Shashi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Python data types. In Python, we have different data types that are text data type, numeric data type, sequence, mapping, set, and Boolean, binary, none type. Okay, variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Those are the data types. Okay, text type. In the text type, we have string. We can represent like this format string, and this data type is used to represent text or strings, and strings are enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Okay, like this double in the double quote format, in the string single quote, single apostrophes, and triple quotes in the triple. And this in the triple quote, if we use triple quote in the functions, also we use in like these are the doc strings. Okay, we can also call as the doc strings. And if we print this text and text2, this is the text one, this is the text2, and it will print same. If we use single quote also, uh, no worries. Like Python, Python is great. Here we use it as single quotes, and like it is printed as same as double quotes as the same. And there is no change, but sometimes based on the requirement, like that way we use. In the numeric type, we have int, float, complex. Int represents integers. Okay, int represents integers. Nothing but whole numbers. From 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Infinite number from 0 to infinity. Okay, those are the integer and that represent as a int like this way. And float represent floating point numbers and decimal numbers like this. Decimal numbers, right? Float 3.14. For example, in between numbers, there is 3.0 to 3.99. After that, 4.0, 4.1. Like those are the floating point numbers. We represent as a float. Okay. And complex numbers. Complex numbers are nothing but uh, in the complex number with real and imaginary parts. Like this is the real number and this is the imaginary number. X plus YJ format. Okay. Whenever we print this like this way, it print. And in the sequence type, we have the list, tuple, and range. List is an ordered collection of items, and list are mutable. List is a ordered collection of items, and these are mutable. Mutable is nothing but it is a modifiable, and it can be we can modify the list. Okay, for a ordered collection of items. Ordered collection of items is nothing but one. Here we have the list. My list is 1, 5, 3. And whenever we want to insert one number, it will insert at the end of the list after 1, 5, 3, comma 4. Any number we want to insert. For example, we want to insert 4. It will insert 4. For example, 5, 6 here, any number, it will insert 18. Those are called, that is the ordered collection of items. Tuple is also same. It will insert any number, like it will insert a 10. Those are the ordered collection of items. And but tuple is immutable. It can't be not modified. For example, if we want to insert some number in between here, so some first index number or second index number. For example, this is a first index number. In play here we want to insert some number. It is possible in the list, but here in the tuple it is not possible. That is called immutable. Here this tuple is the immutable, list is a mutable. Mutable nothing but modifiable, that is modified, but immutable is nothing but that is not modified. My range is like list, we represent list like in the like this way, and tuple is tuple, and uh, symbol is like this in the bracket, left bracket and right bracket, like this way, and tuple we represent in this format, in the parenthesis format, and range is range of 1, 5. This mainly used in the loops. In the for loop or while loop, mainly we use this range. This I will discuss in the later video while we discuss in the for loops and while loops. Okay, and For example, we will see a range of 1, 5 means from 1 to 4 it will be print. For example, for again range of 1, 5 means it will be print between 1 to 4. For example, if we want to print for 1 to 100, at that time we have to give the 1 to 1 comma 101. At that time it will be print from 1 to 100. It will. In mapping type is dict. Here, like this way represent in the dictionary. In here we have the key value pairs. Dict represents a dictionary, and we have this is the key. Left side is the key, and right side is the value. Both key and value, key and value. Those are the key value pairs. Okay, and this is also called this is also a ordered collection. Like whenever we want to insert some key value, it will insert at end. Like this way represent and mapping type. And in the set type we have the set and Trojan set. Set represents unordered. It will insert some randomly, and you connect, and sets are mutable, it can be modifiable. And Trojan set represents immutable, this like this way we represent, and these are immutable, and which elements can be changed after creation. Elements cannot be changed after creation. Okay, and now like whenever we print this like this way, and in the Boolean type we have true. True, like this way we represent either true or false. We represent in the here true or false, like this way we use, and it is mainly used in the logical operations and condition. For example, in the if condition or some conditions. For example, whenever we wrote the code, after getting the value, um, we get some output. So for example, that output uh, is true equal to, like, that value is equal to true. We move to the next inside the condition, like that. In that places we use mainly. And in the binary types we have bytes and byte array and memory view. Bytes is nothing but represents a sequence of bytes, immutable, not modifiable. It Before string we add b in the prefix we have b, that is called bytes. For byte array like this, byte array of some number, any number. Like for example, 65 is, for example, in the ASCII number, 65 is what? A, 66 B, 67 is C, like that. Memory view, whenever we type in C, we will get, let's see, byte array. Here 65, 67, 66, 67. Byte array is printed like this. And memory view of bytes of 5. This 5 is located in this memory location. This is the object total. This is the object, and in that object, the value is located in this place. And none type. None type is we have this none, only none, and this is a special type in Python representing the absence of a value. It is mainly used, for example, whenever we are writing the code, we initialize first my variable equal to none. After some lines of the code, we write down some operations, conditions, some write the code. Like after that, we assign, we get output, and we assign the value to a particular variable. This variable, if not, it will be taken as a none. It will printing my variable. Whenever we print this print of my variable, it will be printed as a none. Otherwise, whatever we get the output, that will assign to my variable, and it will print it as a none. These are the main data types. Okay, and in the later videos, next videos, I will discuss each operation of the data type. In division, what we discussed is text type, numeric type, sequence type, mapping, set, boolean, binary, and none types. We have in the text type is string, and in numeric type into float and complex. Sequence type is list, tuple, range, and mapping type we have the text. And set type we have set and Trojan set. In the boolean type we have bool. In the binary type bytes, byte array, and memory view. And none type we have none. None. Only none. This is the none. If you like this particular video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.